Hi again. Right now we're going to make the wheel for mechanical design, so you can see what we're doing there. Honestly, I've already made it. So if you look right here, it's right there. And it works just the same way it does in normal Inventor. In fact, let's just open this up. We can actually use it as our discussion point. So let's just double click on him, get him open. Just a minute. There he comes. There he is right there. Now, how did we make this? Well, let's start with the basics. Let's go here to your sketches. And I'll click on that sketch. All I did is I set a center line, just like we did in Inventor. I made the profile, I attached the right dimensions to the profile, and then I revolved it around that center line I made. At that point, I created this body. Now, this thing's got two bodies. See, it's got body 1 and body 2. What I did is I only did half of it, and then I mirrored it over against the back plane of itself to make the second one. That's really all it takes. It really is meant to be that simple. And as I move it around, as I look around my parts here, you know, you can always flip it around whichever way you want to go, and expect it's right. This seams here because that is two separate bodies, and Inventor would have merged them. I don't know if I did that wrong in this and it didn't merge them, but either way, that's where we're at with this. So it's really meant to be that simple. So please take your time and keep going. Our next trick is I'm going to try to figure out how to use the chamfer tool correctly, because you know that seems like it should be really, really simple. But we'll make an axle and a few other things like that, and that should be where we're at. So, hey, thanks for your time.